All they have to do is, you know, keep the ball para maubos yung time eh.
Don't worry, I'll try to talk to your mom about it, okay?
Yeah, but
So they're laughing at you.
Who's
laughing at you? Your friends.
Jonathan Bata.
You too.
Don't worry about the year two.
Yeah, I know.
Don't get that to you, right?
That's why it's good. Everybody you left na.
I know it's there.
Yeah, I know. It's annoying you, hey.
Stop taping!
Why? I like to tape you because you're pretty. Oh, tignan mo to. Walang problema. It's okay, you know, your relatives only watching. But they wanna blow. O din kay siguro, no? Yes, hindi oh. Lagunan eh. Ay, Diyos ko. O yan oh, kataba na. Pero malaguna naman, okay.
Close back!
Nasa si John?
Ating ka pang ulam ka niya, no? Kumusta yung birthday?
Na?
Kumusta yung birthday?
Ito mag-blowing cake, Jonathan.
Alingan handa, okay naman.
Alin eh. Mukha na ano. Ay.
Alin, Kenny, sabi niya, kakalit. Sabi niya mo kakalit tayo.
Sabi niya mo kakalit. Kaya kung kumain ka, magsabi ko.
Wala, nakakalit. Kaya malot na rito. Kayo na. Binalot na rito. Wala na, ako yung kakakumalot. Hindi, taray ngayon malot.
Wala na. Kamamang ang laya mo.
Masyadong malapit. Si Kuya,
Wait, Jonathan! Tinatid lang si Michelle.
Ate, blow. Mag-blow yan, di ba?
My birthday!
Bakit ikaw hindi mo ng birthday?
What are you doing? First, George. Never take it blowing it out.
Patay na natin, patay na.